It's day 5. So far, we traveled almost 600 miles in the first 96 hours. We had been making good time on the Spinnaker, but the wind had shifted around a bit, so we needed to jibe. We decided to do it the easiest and safest way, which is to pull it down and move it over to the other side.
Extra passenger.
Save it for the birdies. Ah. Yum.
That is the, probably not the best way to jibe the Spinnaker, but it's easy. I mean, it's easier than trying to jibe, because if you get it wrong jibing it, trying to jibe it around the mast, things can go poorly, so whatever. I just don't like the way that tack's hooked up. It's pulling on the railing and it's around the forestay, so I'm gonna rig another one just off the forward cleat. Not the preferred way to do it, but I feel better about it. So. Let the tack out! It's kind of neat. We were just sitting here hanging out, and Dad over here notices on the chart plotter there's another boat on AIS ahead of us. Its name is Swan. It's 36 feet. It's out of La Paz, sailing the same place we are. I guess he's only 33 feet long, so we got to be faster than him, or 36. So we're slowly catching up. Says he's doing 4 knots. We're doing 5.5, 6. So he's 8 miles ahead. So we tried calling him on the radio. He didn't answer. So we'll try it again here a little bit later when we get closer.
Most of the time on a passage, you're just finding things to do. Stop it!
What is that?
She's gone native. She's got her tribal war paint on. She's practicing for the dance when we get to French Polynesia.
It's my pores, Bobby. It's like, it'd be pretty. You can't just put all that sunscreen on and not like pull it out of you, you know. What goes on must come off. Stop, go away!
Whatever makes her happy.
Oh, then you're gonna put one on?
No.
Yeah. Come here, Bobby.
Not happening, no.
So I decided to have a spa day. So this is kind of what it looks like. Put some keratin in my hair. So I'm all oiled up. It's great. Coconut oiled my whole body. Not much really happened today, except for this.
Do it! Come on!
Bobby, no! Wait! No, God. This is private!
How was it?
Good. You made me sweat. I don't think I got 100% the desired effect. It's supposed to be dry when you peel it.
After that little jibe, I mean, we're dead on course, straight for the Marquesas. For the trip, we're averaging 6.2 knots. The first day we did really well, and yes, parts of the days we've done really well. Last night we were really slow though. Wasn't much wind. Today there's only 7 or 8 knots of wind. We're only doing 5. Hey, we're getting there though.
I've realized I only want you.
Pretty quiet day. Gonna have dinner and movie night and do it again tomorrow.
We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know.